In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number in QuickBooks using Intuit. If you're managing your business using QuickBooks, keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for seamless communication and accurate records. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks by clicking on the QuickBooks link or typing in the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, take a moment to ensure you're logged in using your credentials. If you're not logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see various options and tabs that help you manage your finances. Let's move on to the next step. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to find the settings icon. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu allows you to access various tools and settings within QuickBooks, which will help you manage and customize your account to fit your specific business needs. In this list, you'll find an option called Account and Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section houses all personal and company information configurations, such as contact information and company details. It's important to keep this information current to ensure that you're receiving all necessary communications from Intuit regarding your QuickBooks account. Upon clicking Account and Settings, you might need to wait a few seconds as the page loads, depending on your internet speed. Once it's loaded, you'll see several tabs along the left side of the screen. These tabs help you navigate through the different sections of your account settings. For this tutorial, however, we will stay on the Company tab because that's where we'll find our phone number settings. Now, it's time to edit your contact information. Look for the Edit option, which should be visible somewhere on the right side of the page within the Company Information section. Clicking Edit will open up a form where all your current company details are listed. This form is where you can make any necessary adjustments. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Phone Number. It might just say Phone. Click on this field and you can make the necessary changes to your phone number. Once you finish entering the new phone number, double-check to ensure accuracy. It's crucial that the number you provide is up to date to avoid any miscommunication. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on it and give it a moment to update. Once saved, your new phone number should be reflected in your account details. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your contact information in QuickBooks. If you ever need to change it again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for following along, and I hope this was helpful for all your QuickBooks needs.